Hey guys, welcome back to a very short video about drone. So probably this is the first video about drone you can see publicly on my channel. All right. So this is this is not my drone view for exactly, but we're talking about the battery. All right, let's get this thing out of the site. So I just made myself a lithium battery pack. So here is the pack. You can see. So it is made from 4 lithium batteries. Yeah, 4 cells, and that's gonna give me 14.8 volt for the nominal. And as you can see that it can totally power the drone. Everything looks fine. Yeah, I gotta make this connector because I accidentally used the wrong connector type. So yeah, so when you guys making the battery, make sure don't make this the battery cable too long, because it's gonna increase the inductance and that might spike back to the drone components such as the ESC, because that is the place where it gotta handle a lot of current. So anyway, I'm going to show you a test, not a flight, but like an operation with the battery connected from lithium. So the reason that you should use lithium is because it's gonna be more cheaper. You can make with longer capacity. Yeah, but I mean like the main reason you can make the batteries because it's cheap. Yeah, so I'm gonna send you a little bit of photo. Yeah, you can see it can actually blow the stuff. Very good. Everything is working perfectly fine. Yeah, as you can see, yeah. Alright, so if you guys like this video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and you can always make battery pack like this, and of course you can charge it by using the B6 charger. Like you can charge the lithium and the LiPo in the same setting. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I hope to release more cool content on the platform. Goodbye.